Jalupogaye ma Jubilee Fred Matiang'i oseo piny owacho wi chal mar arita kwe mosekethore kama njore nyoro e rombe mag siasa. Matiang'i lero ni onge kaka inyalo chan kendo pangi njore kaunti ma Homa Bay kuom kweth mag linda mwananchi ka sekta mar arita kwe ahinya to mang'weyo maling'ling ok oyudo wachno motelo ne chiwo ne jatend piny. Jalar kom tend piny okoni biro chuno kweth maketo piny owacho tesre obedi gi romo juma manyien ewi kaka gibiro rakore kod wach njore e siasa masani. Onyiso luor ni Kenya nyalo biro wuore kendo jonjore biro loke piny tulo ka ok okaw okang' mapiyo.
This weekend alone, from the stoning incident in Mulot that affected my two vehicles, to the stoning incident in Nakuru Town West that affected DCP leaders, and then Salga, and then yesterday in Homa Bay. It's so clear to everyone that, one, there's a pattern to this. Second, there's very clear acquiescence of government in this, because you look at the behavior of the security forces on this matter. And three, you can see, blatantly, a case of, determination on the part of government to engage in this level of violence. From my experience, I want to tell Kenyans very sincerely, I do not think and I cannot see how the scale of violence in Homa Bay and the activity that happened there could have happened without the knowledge of the National Security Council and without the knowledge especially of the president. Because I have been in that environment before. The president receives executive intelligence briefings wherever he is, even if he is in Greenland or attending the UN General Assembly. Such intelligence information is gathered and the president is briefed very regularly. So when you look at what happened in Homa Bay, it's crime at industrial scale. The planning, you can see clearly the choreography, the management of that, and the resources that could have been spent in that clearly shows you that this is something that was premeditated, that had been happening, it was planned.